welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be focusing on my truck. I'm going to clean it up and get it cleaned out and everything because I'm going to sell my truck. I know you probably noticed that the truck has been sitting in the yard, over in the corner of the yard for a while. I haven't had any videos, I haven't been driving or anything. I don't really do much with my truck, and with it just sitting there and me not using it, all it's doing is wasting my money because, you know, I just got it painted and everything like that. So, and eventually the paint is going to go bad if I just let it sit there and don't drive it. So I don't drive the truck. I don't have a need for a truck. My brother and my dad has plenty of trucks, so if I have a need for a truck, I can always go and grab their truck. So the goal is to go ahead and get my truck cleaned up, get it cleaned out, and sell it next week. So that's what I'm going to be focusing on in this video, as well as I need to get some jumper cables. My jump box doesn't work, so I need to start the GTO up and move that because I haven't started the GTO up in probably about 3 weeks or a month. So I need to really start that car up and move it so I can get it over near the garage so I can start pulling the headliner out. So that's the two things I'm going to be focusing on in this video, and let's get to it. I decided to take the cheap way out and go to the car wash. Going to Food Lion, here where I live at, and see a GXP. Okay, got the truck cleaned up. I didn't clean the inside, I still got to do that. But what I'm about to do now is switch the batteries, take the battery out of my truck and use it to start the GTO. Because my Harbor Freight jump box took a shit. It wasn't the best jump box anyway, so, but that's what I'm about to do. Go ahead and take the battery out of here, put the battery in the truck in here, start it up, and let this battery charge back up. Okay, got the battery in. I'm about to do a true cold start. The car haven't been started up in a month, so. Let me go get the tripod to set this up. here in the garage where it's a little bit quieter. Tell you what's going on. Alright, for some reason, when I take the negative battery cable off, my fuel pressure starts to get real erratic and the car shut off. But my battery light is not on, so my alternator, it seems like it is charging because the battery light's not on. But let me show you. That's weird. And fuel pump is not coming on now. But if I go wiggle the cables, let me see. I make sure all my cables are tight. Come back in here. Now I hear my fuel pump coming on. Let me go into the actual secret settings and see if I can see what my amperage is on my alternator. I'm gonna put the phone down for a minute. I need both of my hands. Alright, fuel pump is on. And it should start back up now. Okay, alright, so I got the outside of my truck cleaned up. I didn't get a chance to do the inside yet. I did dump all the trash and stuff off the back, and I'm going to finish that up, so I probably get the truck ready for sale next week. So that's what I'll probably get done. So I wasn't really rushing to get it done today, so but I'll take care of the inside and everything and get that done. What you saw later in the video is my battery has been dead in the GTO for like a month. So I finally got it started up, took the battery out of the truck, started up because I didn't have a jump box. I couldn't find my cables. My jump box, Harbor Freight jump box, sucked. It didn't last. It wouldn't even start it up. It wouldn't even hold a charge. So, but you see the erratic gauge, my fuel pressure gauge, when I take the battery, negative battery cable off, the fuel pressure starts jumping around and the car shuts off. So I'm not getting the battery light, so I don't think my alternator is bad, but I'm curious as what's doing that. I'm gonna have to get a fully charged battery and see if that goes away. So the GTO is doing some strange things. It's like when I go without driving it and when I do start it up, it starts to do some strange things. So GTO troubleshooting is coming up also. Try to figure out what's going on with that. That will most likely be after I do the headliner though. So the next GTO video is going to be me doing the headliner. So thanks for watching. Click that subscribe button if you haven't, and share the videos, and I'll see you in the next video.